Hi teachers, welcome back and Happy New Year. Today's tech tip is going to show you a quick and easy way to print labels using information that you might have in your Google Drive. So some teachers have asked me in the past, is there a way to print labels within a Google Doc or using the Google tools somehow? There has been an add-on that allows you to do that, but an even easier way to use your Google files to turn them into labels is to simply use the Avery.com label printing service. I've shared this link in the email, but Avery has made an integration with Google where all you have to do is click the spreadsheet that you want with your information, and it will import it right into a label template that's easy to print. So if you wanted to do that, I know sometimes in the new year we're looking to organize or print new labels for student folders or student devices, anything like that. All you would have to do is go to this Avery website that I've shared and click the Get Started button, and then choose the type of labels that you're wanting to use. Most of the standard mailing labels that I tend to use are this 5160, 30 labels per sheet, but there are many different options. So you could scroll through here and choose the one that you are trying to print on. And then Avery has a lot of designs already set up. So you can scroll through. There are so many different options. They have some that have text going vertically, a lot that have, different images. There are some education images in here. So there's lots of different options that may appeal to you. For our purpose today, I'm just going to choose this blank one. And within this Avery website, you have the option to just input your information right here. So as it pulls up, I could start just typing, adding a text box. You can see it asks me if I want to edit all of them or if I want to edit them one at a time. But I could add a text box. I could add an image. So I could do it right here and design it myself. My other option, though, and this is where the Google Drive comes in, is I could import data that I already have saved in my drive, and it would pull it right into this. So to do that, you're just going to choose this Import Data Mail Merge option and say Start Import. And up here at the top, they've added this option for you to import things from your Google Drive, which, like I said, is super helpful because it allows you to take information you already have saved somewhere, like a class roster or student scores, whatever it is that you might be wanting to print, and you can just pull it right into this template. The only thing you have to remember is that the information has to be in a spreadsheet. So if you currently have it in a doc, it's a really simple copy and paste to get it over into a spreadsheet. But any spreadsheet you currently have will work for this purpose. So it's opening up my Google Drive right now. And then it's going to pull up all the spreadsheets I have. I'm going to select this example one. And then it's going to show you the information, and you can uncheck anything that you don't want to print. Like this is just my column headers, so I'm going to uncheck that row. But the rest of these, I have it set up as a sample with like student first name, last name, and student number. So I wanted to import all of that, so then I just say next. And then I get to drag and drop how I want this to appear. So if I want the first name, and then the last name and the student number to go underneath that, I'm just going to drag and drop it like I want. If I wanted it differently, I could drag it whichever way I'd like, and then say finish. And now you'll notice it pulled, and I know it's hard to see over here, but it pulled all of the information from my Google Sheet over into this template. And now I can make any changes I want still. So if I wanted these names to be bigger, I could just highlight them all. And whatever changes I make on this one template, it will apply to all of the labels, all of the information I've put in. So I'm going to make that font bigger. Maybe I want that font to be in the center. And you can see it adjusted all of my labels over there. You can change the color. You can change, like I said, there's so much. You really have full control of what you want your labels to look like here. And then the last step would just be to preview and print. Now, like I said, Avery has always had these printing options on their website. So if you've never used their website, I definitely would tell you to check that out the next time you need to print labels. But the even better part of it is that they now offer this integration with your Google Drive. So you can pull really anything you might need to print that you already have saved. You can pull it into a template really easily. From here, you would just want to choose the print yourself option. It also does give you the option to save this so that if you wanted to, if these are labels that you print frequently, you can save it and then you don't have to go through those steps the next time. So I hope that that little tip might help you to get organized in this new year. Hope your first week back is going smooth and have a good rest of your Tuesday.